Barclays Cashback Credit Card app. The pros, the cons. The Barclays Cashback Credit Card app is straightforward spend, earn, and track via the app. Most people assume all cashback cards are the same, but here's the surprising truth. This card rewards everyday purchases consistently. Pros include easy cashback accumulation on daily spending, a clear mobile app interface for tracking payments and rewards, instant alerts, and contactless payment options. The app makes budgeting simple and secure. Cons include moderate cashback rates compared to high-end competitors and limited travel perks. Annual fees may apply for premium options, and international spending may not earn as much. Overall, the Barclays Cashback Credit Card UK app is ideal for users looking for reliable cashback and seamless app management. It's a practical choice for daily use.